Hi everyone, welcome to Me and Mom. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today I have another interesting video for your child, and for this activity also you don't need to spend a penny. In this video I will show you how to teach your child from surrounding and make learning fun and simple for kids. So without much delay, let's start the video. We always want to teach our child basic things used in our day-to-day life, and for that we end up buying costly toys from market. Here is a trick I will show you to teach our child like days, months, years and time. I have taken this calendar. I have taken this 2020 calendar. You can take any old calendar also. See here all the months are written like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. All the 12 months are written here. And then the days are written Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Everything is written here. And also these numbers 1 to 31st. All these numbers are written here. I think this is very common in our home, and see so many things you can teach from this. In some calendars it has beautiful pictures also. Here also I have this picture of Lord Krishna and a cow. Your kid will enjoy these pictures. Additionally, you can also teach your child that in 2020 February has 29 days, that is, it's a leap year. You can also teach them that some months has 31 days and some months have 30 days. Maybe your child is too young to understand about leap year, but you can teach them about months, days, numbers from this single calendar and engage them in a productive way. You can also give them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and again these things will repeat from Sunday to Saturday. And all the Sundays are written in red color as it is a holiday. If you want to teach your child something new in a unique way, then please watch the full video. If you like this kind of videos, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Now let's move to our next activity. Here I have taken a white paper and cut it in a circle, and I have written 1 to 12. This is a very simple DIY and it will not take more than 5 minutes, and you can teach your child about clock in a very simple way. Here I have taken 2 earbuds. I have cut one end of one of the earbuds. So let's start. I have placed one here and the second one here. See, 3 o'clock. You can tell your child to move this one. First move this small one. Once you learn all these things, or 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, then 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7, likewise 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12 o'clock. Once you learn the whole cycle, then you can tell him to move this one like 3:30, 3:45, 3:50, 3:55, like this. You can teach them about clock. This will be a very interesting activity for your child, and they will learn lots of things from this activity. They will learn numbers from here. They will learn how to watch time. They will definitely love this activity and learn something new with fun. If you don't want to miss this kind of videos, then please hit the bell icon so that you will get notification once I upload any new video. If you have anything to say, please use the comment section below. Thank you.